Now we go to the example 14 of the chapter 8. In this figure, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a regular octagon. So, first of all, we need to know the meaning about regular. For a regular polygon, it means that all the sides are with the equal length. Secondly, is that all the sides of the interior angle must be equal. So that these angles are equal, so we net it as theta. So all of them are theta. So by this statement, actually can we find theta? Yes. It's because by the property of the interior angle of the polygons, what we know is that the sum of the all interior angles of a polygon must be equal to the number of sides minus 2 whole term times 180 degrees. And the value of n is equal to 8. And we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 thetas. So 8 times thetas must be equal to a minus 2 times 180 degrees. So 8 theta must be equal to 1080 degrees, and theta is equal to 135 degrees. That is all the information from the first sentence. And from the second sentence, it means that AB produce and DC produce. So AB produce and then CD produce intercept at X. So that we can see that here is point X. And what we find is not the theta, but is the BXC, is this angle. So actually, we can cut these pieces of the octagon out here and observe it. So you can see that here are 2 theta, and the BXC is here. So actually, if we let the BXC is X, it is an interior angle, and this theta and this theta are the exterior angle of the triangle BXC. So actually, we should know that the angle CBX and the angle BCX are both equal to 180 degrees minus theta. That is by the properties of angles on a straight line. So actually, you can use the angle sum of triangle or external angle of triangle to find x. Now we use the angle sum of triangle. That 180 degree minus theta is this one, plus the other one 180 degree minus theta is this one in yellow color. And lastly, at the x must be equal to 180. That is the angle sum of triangle. So by using this equation, okay, we know that theta is 135 degrees. So actually, this one is equal to 55 degree, and the other one is also equal to 55 degree. So that 110 degrees plus x is equal to 180. So lastly, we can know that x is equal to 70 degrees. That's it.